On Sunday, Delhi's airport and numerous hospitals across the national capital received bomb threats via email, triggering a rapid deployment of bomb disposal squads and fire tenders by authorities. The Burari hospital was the first to report the bomb threat at 3:15 p.m. according to fire officials. At Burari hospital, a bomb threat email triggered a rapid response from local police, bomb squad and canine units. Teams swiftly commenced a thorough search of the premises, though no suspicious items have been discovered thus far, stated Deputy Commissioner of Police North M.K. Meena. The urgency continued as Sanjay Gandhi Memorial Hospital received a similar call around 4:26 p.m. 2 fire engines were immediately dispatched to both locations, with search operations still ongoing, confirmed a Delhi Fire Services official. Subsequent investigations revealed that 8 to 10 other hospitals, including Hindu Rao Hospital, also received identical threat emails, added authorities. Delhi Fire Services chief reported that the bomb threat concerning Indira Gandhi International Airport surfaced around 6:15 p.m., prompting heightened security measures. This incident adds to a recent wave of similar threats in Delhi and Ahmedabad. Just days ago, over 130 schools across Delhi NCR received identical emails alleging the presence of explosives on their premises. The threats sparked widespread panic, leading to immediate evacuations and extensive searches of the educational institutions. In response, the Delhi police, in collaboration with Interpol, reached out to Russian mailing service company Mail.ru to trace the exact source of the emails. An FIR was lodged against unknown individuals, stating that the bomb hoax emails aimed to sow mass panic and disrupt public order in the national capital. The recent spate of hoax bomb threats has prompted the Union Home Ministry to take proactive measures in ensuring public safety. In response to the alarming incidents, the ministry has called for the deployment of detailed protocols and standard operating procedures to effectively handle such situations. Earlier this week, the Home Secretary convened a meeting with officials from the Delhi Police and schools to emphasize the importance of close coordination. The goal is to prevent unnecessary panic caused by misinformation spread through hoax threats. By fostering collaboration between law enforcement and educational institutions, authorities aim to swiftly address any future incidents and maintain public order. Furthermore, the ministry has underscored the necessity of bolstering security measures in schools. This includes the installation of CCTV cameras and implementing regular monitoring of emails to detect and respond to potential threats promptly. The meeting, attended by the Chief Secretary and Delhi Police Commissioner, highlighted the collective commitment to enhancing security protocols and ensuring the safety of students and staff. Through proactive measures and collaboration between stakeholders, authorities aim to mitigate the impact of such hoax threats and uphold public safety in the national capital.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.